Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Acura Integra versus the Honda Civic C. Let's start by looking at their performance. Both vehicles share a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, delivering 200 horsepower. The Civic C is exclusively available with a 6-speed manual transmission, offering a pure driving experience. The Integra, however, provides the choice of either a manual or a continuously variable transmission, giving you more flexibility. Moving inside, the Integra presents a more upscale cabin with higher quality materials and a sophisticated design. The Civic C, on the other hand, embraces a sportier aesthetic, featuring red stitching and bolstered seats. Both cars come equipped with a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. While cargo space is comparable, the Integra's hatchback design provides slightly more versatile storage options for your gear. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Civic C delivers a more raw and engaging experience, perfect for enthusiasts who love precise handling. The Integra leans towards a more refined and comfortable ride, making it an excellent daily driver. Both vehicles offer impressive fuel efficiency, achieving around 30 miles per gallon combined. However, the Integra generally commands a higher starting price, reflecting its premium positioning in the market. So which car is the best fit for you? If you prioritize a raw, engaging, and sporty driving experience with a manual transmission, the Honda Civic C is an excellent choice. However, if you seek a more refined interior, a smoother ride, and the option of an automatic transmission, the Acura Integra might be your ideal match. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Ultimately, your decision will depend on your personal driving preferences and budget.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.